If you use VLC a lot, learning the keyboard shortcuts can save you time and make playback much easier to control. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view all shortcuts in VLC in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and helpful trick whether you're a beginner or you just want to get more efficient while using VLC every day. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, open VLC on your computer. Once the program is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Help. This is where VLC keeps useful support information, guides, and links for users who want to learn more about the software. After you click Help, look through the menu or the help information until you find the text that says, "To understand the main keyboard shortcuts, read the shortcuts page." This line is important because it points you directly to the full list of VLC shortcuts. Next, click on the Shortcuts hyperlink. This will open the Shortcuts page in your browser and take you to a page that contains all the shortcut keys used in VLC. On that page, you can review the different controls for playback, volume, navigation, full screen mode, and other useful actions. This is a great way to quickly learn how to use VLC more efficiently without memorizing everything at once. You can keep the page open as a reference while you use the player, or even bookmark it for later if you want to come back and check shortcuts anytime. And that's it. You now know how to view all shortcuts in VLC the easy way. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.